Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. How have to be? Welcome back friends, my YouTube channel. Hopefully you will be fine, spending a good and lavish life. So let's come. I shared you that's beautiful and great ideas in this video, and these are very beautiful and pickling ideas that are completely different to each other. I hope you enjoy its beautiful and unique published ideas because it's are beautiful and make your toilets made across tank and safety blocks, and hopefully you will enjoy that beautiful and unique hurdle ideas that create different thinking knowledge to watch this video, and hopefully you will enjoy my beautiful and unique ideas. So don't forget to subscribe this channel, and I hope you will enjoy that beautiful and great ideas because it's are completely different to each other and dimensionally different to each other. Uploading this video, your friends, your mutual friends, overall your social personality, which you know have that and what to have any about. Hopefully you will enjoy my beautiful and unique hilarious ideas in this video. I shared beautiful cracks and crochet made of toilet covers, and there's are great ideas in this video I shared with you. Hopefully you will enjoy these beautiful and unique ideas. These are very great and thinking knowledge, and hopefully you will enjoy that's beautiful and great ideas. So friend, uploading this video, your friends, your mutual friends, overall your social personality, which you not have that, and hopefully you will enjoy these beautiful ideas because it's dimensionally different. And you will enjoy that's beautiful and great ideas, and these are wedding luxe ideas that are great ideas and thinking knowledge criteria to increase your martial level and make you very appendages and are different to each other. Hopefully you will be gain different type of thinking knowledge for watching this video. I hope you will enjoy that beautiful and great ideas in this video. Will enjoy my beautiful and great ideas that are completely different to each other. So friend, I hope you will enjoy that's beautiful these great ideas. Uploading this video, your friends, your mutual friends, your overall social personality, these very good great toilet covers which have you gain imagine different type of knowledge to watching this video. I hope you will enjoy its great and attractive ideas because it's are commercially different to each other, and hopefully you will be gain different type of thinking ideas to watching this video. You will be enjoy that beautiful and great ideas which I shared. I hope you will enjoy my beautiful and attractive unique ideas that are completely vast and are different to each other. So friend, watching this video and you can create different type of thinking knowledge, and you will enjoy my beautiful and unique fundamental design that are very hygienic and are different to each other.